Hello, welcome to STEM School. In this lesson, we are going to teach multiply by multiples of 10. Please click like if you like this video and subscribe. Thank you. Let's take a look at our examples here. First, we got 30 times 3, right? So we can calculate it as 30 plus 30 plus 30, and we can have the final result. But now we are dealing with multiplications, right? So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna separate 30 into 10 times 3, okay? So that's 30. And then how are we gonna calculate that? So we're gonna calculate 3 times 3 first. Okay, we're gonna calculate 3 times 3, and then the result times 10, right? So it's basically adding a 0 at the end of this result. So we got 10 times 9, which is also equals 9 times 10, which will have 90 as the result. Okay, so the next example, we got 2 times 40. Again, we're gonna separate 40 into 4 times 10, okay? So we got 2 times 4 times 10, so 4 times 10 is actually 40, right? Now, at this time, we're gonna calculate 2 times 4 first, because we got times 10 here, right? So once we get the result of 2 times 4, which is 8, and we just need to add a 0 at the end of the 8, because 8 times 10 is basically 8 adding a 0, which is 80, right? So let's take a look at our next example. We got 7 times 50, okay? So it's getting more and more complicated. So again, but we do the same, right? So we separate 50 into 5 times 10, okay? And then we're gonna calculate 7 times 5 first, right? So 7 times 5 first, and then we use the result of 7 times 5 to multiply 10, right? So we got 35 multiplies 10, which we got 350 here. Okay, 350. So that makes the operation more easier. So the next one, 40 times 8. Okay, so 40 times 8, we're gonna separate 40 into 10 times 4 or 4 times 10. It's the same. Okay, so and now we're gonna calculate 4 times 8 first. Okay, 4 times 8 first. So we'll have 4 times 8 and then use the result to times 10, right? So 4 times 8 is 32, okay? And we use the 32 times 10, which is 320, right? So our final example is 5 times 60, okay? Again, we're gonna separate 60 into 6 times 10. And we're gonna first calculate 5 times 6 first. Okay, 5 times 6 and then times 10. We'll have 5 times 6 equals 30. And we're gonna 30 times 10, which will have 300 as the result. That's everything for today's lesson. Please click like if you like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.